Hi Aries, I'm Anisha, and you can also visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your mid month forecast for career and money. Aries, we start the mid month on the 14th of March with a grand earth trine. That is a beautiful alignment of all the four planets that I've spoken at length even in my love and relationship video. And this fantastic alignment is going to be touching your house of earned income, your promotions, and your career. So this is universe's way of giving you a beautiful gift. On the same hand, also we have Mercury, which is going retrograde. Mercury rules all the communication and all the mechanical things as well. So there is going to be a considerable slowdown as far as communication is concerned. However, the universe does encourage you to do your due diligence at the same time. So don't stop your work, keep the efforts on. By the time that Mercury gets direct again, that is on the 3rd of April, rather on the 23rd of April is a time when it comes completely out of Pisces shadow, that is where it is resting as of now. Things will be more clear. With a retrograde, you may not be having the entire information that you may require in order to be taking a decision. So it's always wise not to commit during a Mercury retrograde. However, since there is, like I said, a beautiful Grander's trine which doesn't happen that very often, it's very encouraging time for you to explore job opportunities, check all the projects, have they been going in order, is there something more that you can do in order to make it more better. There is a lot of revisiting that gets done at this point of time, so keep your efforts on. However, do avoid signing anything new. If there is a new contract, if there is a new job offer, try and hold it out till about first week of April. However, if there is something that comes up from the past, so say for the last couple of months there's been a project or a job offer that you have been discussing, you could go ahead still after doing all your due diligence. Yeah. The thing that happens during this time is that the variables vary vastly. So what is expected vis-a-vis what gets delivered to you, there could be a huge gap. You could feel sort of short change or even think, I never asked this in the first place. Similar things can also happen, while buying a very expensive electronic gadget. You may buy it, and by the end of it, when Mercury comes direct again, you may just realize, it's either something that was not worth it, or there was, something that you didn't really fit what is it that you had in mind. So take care around that time. A lot of you around the 18th could also be revisiting conversations that you may have started in the first week of March as well regarding your work or career. This could be a project that you started. It could be something around a job offer that you have been trying to close and you're sort of revisiting again. So there could be, you may have thought in your mind that it has got closed and everything is done and it's all ready, but you'll realize around the 18th and the 19th that you're having to revisit again and you're having to sort of have a whole lot of conversations or negotiations again around it. On the 20th, we have Sun that walks into your house. Happy birthday, Aries. And Sun is going to come here and it's going to give you a little pick-me-up in your house. It's a great time for you. Again, it will give you a 10-day window for you to look at new project, explore more job opportunities. However, still do not commit. Take your time till first week of April. I would still say a week around mid-April would be a great time, but if you're really pressed for time, try and do things or commit things or sign on very important contractual papers post 5th, I would say, would be a good time. It's also a great time for you to be investing for your children. So if you have been looking at saving up or exploring more universities or colleges or school for your child's further education, it's a great time to be researching on a lot of these things. You could also hear a very surprising and a very nice news from out of the blue. So someone from your past may just pop up and share this news with you. It could be regarding your work and it'll be nice, so you don't have to worry. On the 29th, however, there's a bit of a tight spot for you. You may be feeling very emotional, and it could be a tired of a hard day for you, so try not to lose your cool on this particular day. It could have to do something with an authority figure or with a management or something that has been nagging you since the end of Feb, I would say. So try and keep your calm. Be very careful of the words that you speak. Try not to be harsh at this point of time. And the simplest thing that you can really do at this point of time, Aries, is that just go with this flow. Take it easy, just relax, and let things take their own course. It's not so bad. So have a lovely March. I'll see you again in April, and thank you so much for watching.